How do you use your time? When you are free, how do you spend your time? When you are resting, when you are not busy, how do you spend your time? These people, Bill Gates, Trump, all these rich fellas, they still have same time like us, but why they are getting rich more than us? Why? The reason why these people they get rich is the way how they use their time, how they spend their time. Most of the time they spend their time developing themselves. They spend their time making themselves better. So on you, my friend, how do you spend your time? Are you busy developing yourself? Are you busy learning something? So let's use our time effectively. You need to use your time effectively. Don't waste time in things that cannot help you. If you don't use your time nicely, people, they'll use your time. That's what happens. If you don't use your time, someone else will employ you and use your time. He'll be paying you. You'll be exchanging time with money. They'll employ you. You'll be spending your time at the work. He will be paying you because you are spending time at his workplace. He'll be paying you because you are working with him. He's busy developing himself. He's busy making himself better. While you'll be crying. You'll be busy crying that you are working too much. The salary is too small. The salary is not better. You are not resting because at first you didn't use your time nicely. You didn't spend your time effectively. So from today, guys, let's spend our time on learning something. Anything that you want to learn, just go and learn that thing. Don't waste time in unnecessary stuff. Don't waste your time in gossiping. Waste your time in learning, polishing your skills. Go to school, go to college. That's how you need to spend your time. The Fruit Man. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Peace.